All of nature's animals come in different sizes with different characteristics that make them dangerous to their opponents. But sometimes it's not just their physique that matters, it's also about being confident when fighting to the last breath. So today we're gonna show you 40 times when animals mess with a wrong opponent. Watch this video till the end and you'll be shocked. If you ever think you're outsized, then watch this little terrapin show the lions who's boss by chasing them away from his watering hole.
I am not in danger. I am the danger.
This incredibly lucky bush buck barely escapes from a hungry crocodile.
Oh, come on, man.
Imagine running for your life, and this is the fastest you can go. A mountain goat on the verge of losing its final fight against an eagle throws itself down the mountain in a last-ditch effort to survive. This Alaskan grizzly bear is much smaller than his opponent, but he's got the heart of a true warrior. Just watch as he gets on his back during a vicious fight for survival, and instead of panicking, he waits for the perfect opening and then retakes his position. This wildebeest made a dramatic escape as he leaped over two hungry lionesses on the run before darting across a lake and outpacing the entire pride. Foxes are usually friendly and try to evade conflict. However, foxes are wild animals and will always revert to their instincts in a situation where they feel threatened. But this fox definitely messed with a wrong cat who stood its ground fearlessly.
Oh my god, the cat noticed me now. Oh my god. What is going on? Oh my god.
While this zebra tries to kill a foal, its mother does everything in her power to fight back and protect her child.
Run, baby, run! Help him! No!
A gorilla attacked this mother as its child desperately tried to intervene and stop the fight. But then, their enormous father came to the rescue. These two sloth bears got into a heated fight in a zoo as workers tried everything to break it up. And as these kangaroos were having an intense fight, one of them took it a little too far. Giraffes fighting, on the other hand, might be one of the funniest and weirdest things out there. Just watch as these giraffes use their long necks to try and take each other down. But here's a way more intense fight, where the giraffes fight to the death and neither of them are willing to back down. This white lion successfully defends itself from two tigers. A mother hippo who's about to have a baby is forced to defend her other children as they're attacked by hungry lions. The mother ferociously attacks one lioness, but the pride won't give up that easily. They wait until nightfall and take advantage of the tired hippo, again trying to sink their teeth into the prey's flesh. But the hippo still does not give up and brutally catches one lioness. Succumbing to the wounds she's endured, she has no power left to attack and surrenders as each of the lions begins to feast on the hippo's carcass. When a crocodile walked into this lion pride's territory, it quickly regretted its decision as the male lion showed who's the true king of the land. The injured crocodile then slowly walks away and will probably never come back again. An octopus swam in the wrong place and was chased down and devoured by a school of leather jackets. After a lone female squirrel approaches a cobra from behind, a snakebite causes her to retreat from the battle. In seconds, the squirrel has gone from snake killer to scaredy cat. But luckily for her, the action has caught the attention of a far meaner neighbor, a yellow mongoose who's considered the cobra hitman. The animals then face off in a deadly fight where the cobra delivers a quick strike and the mongoose pulls a Matrix-style getaway. Finally, the cobra manages to deliver its winning blow, and they take off in opposite directions. When this bear climbs up to an eagle's nest, they have to desperately try to fight off the giant intruder from their home.
And that's a job well done.
And this goose heckling a horse soon regrets his decision. A group of otters won't leave this orangutan alone until it uses a stick to fight them off. These two Komodo dragons fight intensely, but quickly get tired and start cozying up instead. Here's a great example of how intelligence beats strength, as a smaller rabbit avoids the bigger guy by simply jumping over it. These curious and hungry lions stumble upon a huge crocodile who barely escapes the vicious attack. And this dog who protects his owner from a baby crocodile. An angry elephant charges at a hippo and chases him out of his territory. And this incredible sighting unfolds as a flock of angry birds gang up and attack a snake. Three leopards gang up on one honey badger, but soon regret their decision when it chooses to fight back.
Oh, I just even trying to run away.
A buffalo and a bull use their deadly horns in a brutal fight, and even though the Cape buffalo is considered one of Africa's big five, the bull proves that it's definitely not an easy opponent. And while the fight continues intensely, the other cows stand and watch the duel as if it were a movie. Somebody get these guys some popcorn for the show.
He needs some milk.
And here's another fight between a buffalo and a bull, but this time, the bull quickly chickens out. When a hippo gets angry at a herd of buffalo for visiting his pond, he does some strange things to say the least to chase them away.
Oh my god.
He's feeding his own poop.
He's just throwing it around.
Well, evidently pigs really can fly, because this gnarly rhino gets triggered and launches a nosy warthog 10 feet into the air. Check out how these ninja rats evade rattlesnake attacks, kicking them in the face mid-air. A kangaroo squares up against 3 crazy emu birds.
God, they're gonna fight. This is amazing. I have this on video. Oh my god, 2 against 1. Oh, I'm ganging up on him. Look at that. Oh, he's so pissed. What's happening right here? Punch him, Kanga. You can do it. Punch him, punch him.
And these guys managed to rescue their dog from a giant hungry python who keeps a tight grip around the animal. This lion plays catch with a monkey in a tree, jumping back and forth until the monkey finally manages to push him down. As a male cub approached the watering hole to quench his thirst, he didn't notice the hungry crocodile lurking in the water. And as this zebra was trying to cross the river, a crocodile locked his teeth into its back, but the zebra chose to bite back and managed to escape the vicious attack. Watch how this enormous rhino gives the sleeping lions a wake-up call. A lonely lion is attacked by a huge clan of vicious hyenas, but the king of the jungle doesn't need any friends, he only needs confidence. Just watch how the incredible lion fights back and protects his prey from being stolen. Let us know in the comments which of these clips was your favorite. In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.